John Disney y ball letraws yn anelu tuag at Michael Wilde yn rheoli. Mendes, Bel Uchel, a mae Dutton yn dod i gasglu honna. O, mae'r golwr di cam ddarllen i'n llwyr, ac mae Harry Franklin yn gosod y bêl i rwyd wag. Mae Cei Connah ar y blaen wedi llai na 10 munud. Smonach llwyr gan y golwr. Mae'n ail gol gyngrair i Harry Franklin i Cei Connah, a fydd y golwr ddim eisiau gweld hon eto. Camgymeriad erchyll gan Lewis Dutton. Payne ymlaen at Davies, y flic ymlaen i lwybr JK ar y foli'n taro'r trawst. Oedd y golwr wedi giro, y ddau flaenwr yn cyfuno'n dda, a bu bron i JK union i'r sgôr. Gornel yn fer, Josh Williams yn chwipio fewn, Wilde yn cyrraedd, oedd hi ar y linell gan Adam Davies, nath o ddefnyddio i fraich do yn ôl y dyfarnwr Hugh Jones, mae'n gico'r smotyn. Callum Morris, mor ddibynadwy o'r smotyn, oedd hi syth lawr y canol, yn dyblu mantais Cei Connah. A mae Cei Connah ar ei ffordd i drechu Airbus am y 12fed tro yn ôl. Williams mewn at Mendes, mae'n dyn yn y canol na, Mendes yn gwasgu ergyd i fewn, a Dutton yn arbed yn dda tro yma, heibio'r postyn. Davies yn brwydro gyda Aaron Williams, dyma yr eilydd, Caden Cook, 1 ar 15 oed, yn llawn hyder i mewn i'r cwrt efo, Cook yn ergydio, Firth yn arbed ar ei postyn gosa, da gan y gŵr ifanc. Disney at Williams, Williams, Franklin yn troi, yn bwydo Michael Wilde, cyfle fan hyn am y drydedd, Wilde yn taro'r postyn. A falle bod Dutton wedi cael blaen i fus at hon o bosib i rwystro y blaenwr profiadol Michael Wilde. Gig gornel yn uchel at y postyn, pellach tro mae Wilde yn penio yn taro'r trawst. Gyfewn eiliadau mae Wilde di taro'r postyn ar trawst i Cei Connah. Dihangfa i Airbus. Cic gornel arall unfer unwaith eto, Josh Williams, mae'n bêl dda, Wilde yn gwbl rydd, a mae Dutton yn arbed tro yma. Wilde, 3 cynnig da i'r blaenwr. Airbus yn dwyn y meddiant yn ganol cae, dyma Finlay Savage. Savage lle i fentro ymlaen lawr y chwith, mae mewn i'r cwrt, Savage yn croesi'n dda, ac mae Caden Cook di rwydo. Caden Cook ond yn 1 ar 15 ers mis Awst, a dwi'n credu mai fo o bosib ydy'r chwaraewr iengar ioed i sgorio yng nghyfnod 12 disglair uwch gyngrair Cymru.
Yeah, you know, the positives from it is that it's 3 points. It's 13 wins and a draw from the last 14 games, so we're unbeaten in 14, but we're going to have to play a lot better than that. You know, we're nowhere, that was nowhere near the standard that we would normally set ourselves. We're all very much aware of that, and the players know it only too well, don't need to tell them too much. But the opportunities we created, you know, if we'd have taken our chances early on in the game, we could have made you know, the evening a little bit easier for ourselves. Credit to Airbus, who went to the end. I thought, you know, they've been much improved, in my opinion, watching the last 3 games, and you know, a lot of young lads there are going really well for the new manager. So, you know, we knew we had to be at our best today, and we probably weren't at our best today, but we got the 3 points, which is all we needed.
Very happy with the performance. I think anyone that watched the game will see what we're trying to do. We've noticed it in-house week on week since I've been here, to the point where we actually touched on it in the week. Have you noticed the improvement? And the lads can't say anything but yes. There's more to come. I think we could have kept the ball a little bit better, and that would have created a few more gaps and opportunities for us. But in terms of the intensity that we played at, the effort that the lads are putting in, and when you think of the squad that we've got, I don't know what the average age was, but I'd be surprised if it's over 21. I can't be anything but pleased with that.